Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I only have a minute to do a video here on Wheaton and then one other stock before I get back to preparing for tonight's masterclass on volume weighted average price. If you're a member, you definitely need to check that out. It's free to members. If you are not a member, you can go ahead and sign up for a free trial between now and then. It starts at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 5 Pacific. You can go ahead and sign up for a free trial and get access to the course. Again, it's free for membership, but in the future you'll be able to see it again, but it's just going to be a premium product where we'll be charging a small, shall we say, administrative fee for it. Anyway, here's the thing. I will be showing you why I was able to figure out early on this morning why it was appropriate for me to take a half a position, which I had it for the last, sometime last week I got into this, and why first thing in the morning I decided that it was time to add to a full position. Similarly, you get the same kind of thing with the NUGT, with the triple ETF for the gold miners index. Same thing. First thing this morning, about 5 minutes after the market opened, I looked and I said, okay, NUGT is going to hold today. Wheaton is going to hold. These are two stocks that are going to hold. INMODE, a little bit different. Now, all three of them gapped up. Not a lot, but a little bit. They were strong first thing in the morning. And so I'm going to show you guys tonight on volume weighted average price and pivot points how I knew to steer clear of this one and to load up on this one and this one. So I want you guys to be there. That's it. By the way, I think NUGT winds up going higher. So will Wheaton. Not really sure about INMODE. You know, I don't have a crystal ball. So anyway, hope to see you guys tonight. Again, 8 o'clock Eastern, 5 Pacific, VWAP Masterclass. Be there or be somewhere that you don't need to be.